First set your straps in place. You'll see all four here, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Use 2 ramps. Make sure you strap them tightly to the tow hitch. Start the bike. Enjoy a quick ride around the block. Leave it running first gear. Just feather it up on the clutch. Look at that. Easy. Make sure you leave it in gear so it won't roll away. Then leave your first strap long and let your bike lean away from you while you set the second strap. Set your back ones just to tension and pull against the front. Look at that, so easy. Then make final adjustments to the front so that the bike stands up nice and straight. There you go, Robert's your father's brother.